This is the Safe House Burger Challenge. 15 patties on this burger, 2 pounds of cheese curds, and a beer to go with it. Let's go.
How are you supposed to eat it? I ordered a large beer, but they gave me a small. Hold on, I gotta go to the bathroom.
Alright, put that away.
Almost done. And that'll do it. Of course, we're gonna keep working on the beer.
Use the napkin. Use the napkin. What is on your hand?
What?
The nasty, cheesy hand. I don't know.
This was a challenge. Oh my goodness. Thanks for watching, guys. This was crazy. Oh, that was the final sprint. Oh.
Ooh. 15 patties, 2 pounds of cheese curds, and 50 ounces of beer. How do you feel?
Oh, not great.